Hey YouTube, this is Zombie Crazy Man. Um, I'm doing a video on two different ammunitions I just literally picked up probably about 30 minutes ago. Um, I have no experience with either one, so this is not a information giving video, it's information gathering video. So any help you can give me, please leave me a comment down in the box. And here we go. This one I actually picked up. It's S&B Solar and Ballot 45 Auto 230 grain ball ammunition. I like how they have the setup when you pull the rounds out, because it's two separate little blocks that hold 25 rounds each. And here's the little block, and the other one's still in the box, but this is how it comes. Two separate little blocks, and which I like how that's set up. It's not that bad looking. I have some Tula 45, and that is some ugly ammunition. It's ball ammo just like this, but it is ugly looking. This doesn't look too bad. It is made in the Czech Republic. If my camera will focus. There we go. It's made in the Czech Republic. It's supposed to be non-corrosive. With ammo prices and pistol ammunition scarcity where I live, I'm not just going to go out and blow through these rounds just to see if I like them or not. Where I live, it's get what you can, when you can, and how much you can, because you don't know if you're going to get any more or when you're going to find it. I actually paid right there, S&B 45 ACP 230 gray FMJ 50 round box. I paid $26.99 for that, just that one box. That has been the cheapest I've found pistol ammo in a long time, but that's still a lot. Okay, the second ammo is this American Eagle. It's the Federal American Eagle 223 rim 50 grain jacketed hollow point. It's a 20 round box. I have no experience with this particular American Eagle. I've shot the one in the black box. I don't know if this is the same as the one in the black box, but I've shot the American Eagle that is in the black box, and I've had no problems with it. But I don't know if it's the same ammunition as this one. But I do like how they have the ammunition when you pull it out. It comes in two 10-round bricks like this. It has these straps on it. What I'm thinking that's for is if you have a tactical belt or tactical vest, you could strap it on like in an up and down manner like this, and when you need, you just pull it out and load your mag. Or it's not very flexible, so I don't think it would attach to your belt. Maybe maybe on the sling to your rifle, you could attach it to the sling, run your sling through the back. But it is hollow point. As you can see, it is hollow point. I've never shot hollow point 223 rounds. These have the steel primers on them and not the brass primers. The American Eagle I shot, the black box, had the brass primers, and there's also this blue stuff on the primers and around the edge. I don't know what that is. I'm thinking it's to seal the primer from moisture, but I don't know. 223 5.56 is really difficult to find. And like I said, when you can find it, you get what you can when you can. And these wasn't that bad priced. These were, let's see here, the Federal, these were $12.99 plus tax. So I just need your information on these two different ammos, because as I said, I've never used either one, and I really rather not just go out and blow through the two boxes and waste ammo, basically. So if you have anything on either one of these, leave me a comment down in the box, send me a message. Please like, subscribe, share, and as I said, please comment. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.